how to add community guidelines or rules in your team's community. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you or demonstrating you the simple and easy steps to lay out your own rules or community guidelines for your Microsoft Teams community. So without wasting further time, let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply click on to this communities tab over the left hand side. This will list out all of the communities that you are a part of in Microsoft Teams. Now from here you will need to choose that particular community in which you want to define the community guidelines. So for example, let's say I want to define community guidelines for this particular community. So I can simply click over to these three horizontal dots just beside its name. And once I do this, I will see this option with the pencil icon that says edit community. So let me click onto this, and from here you can see the community guidelines. So these are default community guidelines, but if you wish to add custom, you can click onto this edit guidelines button and type in your own guidelines. So for example, I can type in my own rules, and once I'm done with this, I can simply click onto this back button, and here you can see that the community guidelines have been successfully updated. Then after typing in, I'll click onto the save button, and the changes will take effect to each and every person in this particular community. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.